Still don't know who I am, but I feel like I could be a grace. So I muster through and eat the greens up off a fucking plate. My shit's about to drop, so go ahead and save the fucking day. Hope the kid promotes me cause I rock this beach from here to space. Rarely a happy face, I captivate, no emotion. Activates a magic strength, puts a master face and ambrosia. Erodes throughout my entire human vessel. I am worthy of the gods through these poetic gods and instrumentals. It's all in the mental, it appears I've lost my mind. So you go searching for the magic, but right here is all you find. That what you got is what you got. Maybe a little bit to grind, and I be grinding 9 to 5, so I really need to unwind. Just fucking stressful, kill it, kid.
Oh, snap. Yeah, this rap stuff is stressful. Get in the corner, I got this. Okay. There's no end to who hip-hop reaches. We talking twerps to geezers, dreamers to schemers, hippies to believers, kindergarten to seniors, gentlemen to riff-raff, good girls to skeezers, straight-laced to tweakers. Every one of them is in need of a leader. This is why I spit bars at a massive meters. For all the misguided minds quick to grip in the heater. Pop the steam and I race a son or a daughter, a mother or a father, a friend or a lover, an artist or an author. If the falls of the wicked are laid in store for the martyr, then which is which in the eyes of the divinities that watch us? I slap them silly. I part pansy while I got them lifting lilies. Y'all are harboring more beef than an outback. While you play all of your cards incorrectly, I'm reaching Uno and out fast while I'm playing a game of Outlast. I rest my hand between the chest and best you all with my pen and my mouse pad. Pop smash in the 3DS, get the beats in check, wreck your excellency with an accent of 3 stock fast.